I suppose when we're talking about the limbic system, that's really connected to our ability to kind of relax our body and to be soothed. Like there's a connection there. So like the horse being in that relaxed place can also have an impact on us. I think I'm just thinking out loud here now, Coral. It might not reflect at all.
Well, it doesn't always happen that way, because if somebody's got a highly aroused central nervous system, and they're running their survival system, the horse's survival system will get triggered. So, the horses can behave in a really chaotic way because they're picking up, oh, we're in danger, we've got to run away. So they might be, running around, standing up on their back legs, they might be doing things that, that would show us that actually they're mirroring this person's experience. And I'll give you an example from, we worked with a female who had post-traumatic stress using the horses, and she was frozen most of the time. She was completely disassociated, and in the horse sessions she'd still be quite frozen, and what we realised as a team is that we were becoming frozen too. So like the horses were still, we were still, and the client was still, and we used a lot of the set helping the person to get in touch with their senses and really being aware of the environment and the horses, and using touch with the horses to help free up that person's freeze response. And one of the things that happened, we had a rescue horse, a traumatized horse that we didn't use in the sessions because actually she was really unpredictable. And this lady only ever wanted to make a relationship with this horse. And nobody could get near her. She would go up into the woods and just hide. But we had another really significant moment where the traumatized horse, and this took like 10 sessions. The lady, went out of the field and went to meet the horse, and the horse came down and let her stroke her, and she just doesn't let anybody stroke her. And there was this 2 meetings of 2 people that were an animal and a horse that were highly traumatized, and what a difference that made. What a difference. And gradually we saw, it took, quite a number of sessions, a decrease in her trauma symptoms. And I guess that horse would have been like a positive parent interject for her, something that she could really identify with, and a willingness to trust her so much that she came down to see her, and it was just quite amazing, really.
Incredible. Oh, sorry, Coral.
I am telling you the most profound moments. Sessions can be just like talk therapy where nothing happens, and you think, oh, what's happening?
Yeah. Like with that piece of work, I guess that was 10 sessions, so there was a lot of not much going on, I guess. But that's just that, thinking about 2 traumatized souls kind of coming together and meeting in that way. Yeah. Amazing.
Really significant, and we'd worried, as a team, because we thought, we can't use her because she's so unpredictable, and she would kick out, and she would, she could be quite, of course, because she was so traumatized. So it was really interesting, that we had that unique moment, and we did start to use her then after that in the sessions, as long as she could, we'd leave the gate open so that she could go up into the woods, so that she was free to look after herself when she needed to. And I think that's really good modelling, for people as well. The horses, what I didn't say was we don't do any riding. It's 100% on the ground, and the horses are free to choose to interact if they want to or not. So it's very much about the relationship. There are a number of different approaches. Some people use horsemanship, like certain skills on how to do certain learn certain skills with horses. We don't do that. It's about metaphorical learning, the approach that I use.